As a governing body member of SOAFEE, we're very active in the community there. And we're active in two dimensions. One is working with the architecture and showing how the cloud actually helps realize some of the benefits of the SOAFEE implementation. We're also working with our partner Luxoft to take that architecture and actually put it into practice in production opportunities such as aftermarket devices. So we're going to kick off and we'll have Francisco show some of the cloud capabilities of the SOAFEE stack.
We have gone through this exercise to try EWAL, which is the SOAFEE reference implementation, to actually run a real automotive in-vehicle workload. So this is an example of this exercise. In this case, we are using something called AWS FleetWise Edge, which is a small agent that sits in vehicle to transfer data to the cloud. And we have containerized this piece of software, and we show here how to develop that workload in the cloud and how you can transfer with environmental parity, binary parity, in vehicle. On the left-hand side, we see in the cloud running on AWS Graviton, which is the ARM-based EC2 instance virtual machine, the EWAL. On top of it, we are running the target workload, which is the FleetWise, as I said. And on the right-hand side, you see the vehicle simulator, which of course simulates the real vehicle in the cloud. So with this environment, you can develop and you can test the workload without the needs of a real target. And once that development is completed, you can go in vehicle in a reference implementation like this AVA system and execute that same workload without any change, totally binary parity. And of course the landscape is a bit different, because in that case you need to wire the CAN bus to the real vehicle. Other than that, is totally transparent from the workload point of view. Here we see the cloud side. We switch now to the virtual ECU instance, where we have the FleetWise Edge running, and we then go to the vehicle simulator, which actually injects signals into the FleetWise Edge. Of course, we can change here some parameters, and this will generate different signals that are pushed to the cloud. And last, we see those signals being saved on Amazon Time Series, which is a time series database. If we query this database, we will see the updated signals being ingested into the cloud.